Lights, camera, action. Welcome to the Super Bowl of fashion, the Met Gala 2025. This video decodes the Met Gala 2025, the glitz, the symbolism, the hits, the flops, and everything in between. This year's theme? The Black Dandy. Style, rebellion, and identity. Who honored the theme and who completely missed the mark? Shah Rukh Khan and Regé-Jean Page, resplendent in black and red. Did the floral and Balmain dresses miss the mark? If you love fashion history, drama, pop culture, runway decoding, hit that like button. Let's get started. The Met Gala began in 1948 as a fundraiser for the Costume Institute of the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. Under Anna Wintour's leadership since 1995, it has evolved into the most glamorous night in fashion. Anna Wintour flanked by Lupita Nyong'o and Zendaya. So what exactly is Black Dandy? This year's theme explores how black men, historically and today, use fashion as a form of resistance, pride, and self-expression. Lakeith Stanfield in Ferragamo. Dandy is an 18th or 19th century man obsessed with elegance and refinement. Think high collars, velvet suits, silk cravats. The original dandy was a man whose primary purpose in life was to stand out by being impeccably groomed and dressed. Embodied by Beau Brummel in 18th century Britain. In a world where black people were marginalized, the dandy stood out as someone who defied race and class stereotypes. Afrocentric motifs, bold colors, cultural references. In 18th century England, young black servants were made to wear collars made out of brass, gold, silver with padlocks and fine uniforms that signified the owner's wealth. They wanted the slave to stand out as a luxury item. During the Great Migration at the turn of the 20th century, black Americans fled the South for cities like Chicago, Los Angeles, New York. From the 1920s to the 1930s, New York's Harlem neighborhood became a fertile landscape for black cultural expression. One style that emerged out of the Harlem Renaissance was the zoot suit, directly linked to dandyism. The suit was defined by high-waisted draped pants, oversized jackets with pronounced shoulders, and large lapels. Following World War I, women broke down fashion's gender norms. Fashion icons like Jidenna, with his sharp tailored suits, fedoras, and bold patterns, offer a modern twist to dandyism. The modern black dandy embraces bespoke tailoring, bold color palettes, and accessories. Rihanna's suit had 50,000 beads. This year's Met Gala wasn't just about fashion. It was about history, resistance, reclaiming space, visibility. Ayo Edebiri, Baz Luhrmann and Catherine Martin, and Janelle Monáe interpret Black Dandy. As always, the train ruled the red carpet, or should I say the blue carpet, at Met Gala 2025. Cynthia Erivo, Alicia Keys, Diana Ross, Karlie Kloss, and Shakira rocked the train in one form or another. A handful of mermaids were spotted on the runway. Prominent among them, Georgina Chapman and Nicki Minaj. Monica Barbaro in Dior and Nicole Kidman in Balenciaga ushered in the classic look, as did Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. More than the glitz, it is moments like this when fashion meets meaning defines the Met Gala. What do you think about the theme? Who do you think was best dressed? Some unique outfits courtesy Prabal Gurung, Tiana Taylor, and Wendy Murdoch. My personal favorite, Zuri Hall in a pinstripe suit meets evening dress. Rachel Smith and Pamela Anderson in pretty dresses, but did they make it? Some more tuxedos and zoot suits. The neutral palette is ruling. What do you think of the pink pantsuit? Coleman Domingo and Diljit Dosanjh in royal splendor. The designer brigade. Mark Metrick, global CEO of Saks. Olivier, the creative director of Balmain. Stella McCartney, Manish Malhotra, and Veera Wang. Isha Ambani and Shah Rukh Khan. Love this video? Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We cover fashion, history, art, culture right here every week. This is Samita signing off. Till next time. Bye for now.